Hey everyone, in this video we'll learn how to send dynamic PDFs in a template through a broadcast in DoubleTick. Before we begin, there are 3 things you need to have ready. The first is your template. As you can see here, I've created a template that has a PDF as the header and message content in the body. This template is already approved and ready to use. The second thing you need is your customer sheet. This is the sample sheet I've prepared for this demo. It has 3 columns, the customer's name, their phone number, and the invoice URL, which is the link to the PDF for each customer. The third thing you need is a custom field in DoubleTick. I've already created one here. It's named Invoices and the field type is set to text. So those are your 3 prerequisites: your template, your customer sheet, and your custom field. Once these are ready, let's move on. Now let's head over to the broadcast list. Our first step is to import the customers. I'll click on Import Customers and select my Excel file. Once uploaded, you'll see that the name and phone number columns are automatically mapped. Now I'll create a new broadcast list. I'll name it Test Invoices. The important step here is mapping the custom field. I'll go to the Invoice column, open the dropdown, select the correct custom field and click Import. Let me give the page a quick refresh and there we go. The contacts have been imported along with the custom field data. Now I'll click on Send Template and select the template we prepared earlier. Scroll down a little to the header media section. You'll see 2 options here: upload a media and enter a URL. Click on Enter URL. In this field, click on the curly brackets icon. Look for the Invoices custom field and select it. And that's it, just click Next and send the broadcast. That's how you send dynamic PDFs to your customers through a broadcast in DoubleTick. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.